Imagine you're in a magical place where everything floats freely. Now, come back to the real world, put your feet back on the ground, and suddenly you feel that invisible force pulling you back down. That's gravity. Gravity is one of the most amazing forces in the universe. It keeps your feet firmly planted on the ground and stops you from floating off into the sky. But how does it do this? Well, gravity is like an invisible magnet that pulls objects towards each other. The bigger the object, like the Earth or the Sun, the stronger its gravitational pull. A long time ago, a scientist named Isaac Newton came up with the idea of gravity. The story goes that he was sitting under an apple tree when, bonk, an apple fell on his head. Newton started wondering why things always fall straight down and not sideways, and that curiosity led him to discover gravity. Gravity works on everything in the universe, from stars and planets to tiny specks of dust. It's what keeps the moon spinning around the Earth and the planets orbiting the sun. Without gravity, the universe would be a chaotic mess with objects floating randomly everywhere. You can think of gravity like a giant invisible web that holds everything together. If you've ever dropped a ball or watched rain fall, you've seen gravity in action. Have you noticed how raindrops never fall up? That's because Earth's gravity pulls them straight down to the ground. And while gravity keeps us grounded, it also makes it a bit tricky to jump really high. Next time you leap into the air, pay attention to how you're pulled back down. That's Earth's way of giving you a gentle hug. So, remember, gravity is the incredible force that keeps everything in order and stops us from floating away into space. Thanks to Isaac Newton's Apple-inspired insights, we have a better understanding of how this marvelous force works every day.